Dear students, you are welcome in the Education Department at SHAHD Association. Our lesson today is Short OO Sound. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more lessons and don't forget to activate the bell to stay notified. Our objectives for this lesson are: the first one, to identify short OO sound. The second one, to read words with short OO sound. Let's start. My lovely students in grade 2 in the Engage and Explore, for this lesson we talked about the alphabet letters. And now let's review the vowel letters and the consonant letters. The vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U, while the consonant letters are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. And now let's start our new lesson about short OO sound. Now, look at this picture. What is this? Excellent. This is hook. 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 We took out the fish that jumped onto the hook. Cook. 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 Let's go and cook by the book. I will repeat. Let's go and cook by the book. Look at the word book. 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 Wool. 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 This word has short OO sound. Now, write the missing sound. Look at this picture. What is this? Think well. Excellent, wood. So, here the missing sound is short OO sound. Wood. Wood. Now, look at this picture. What is this? Excellent, this is foot. Short OO sound. Which one of these words has a short OO sound? Here we have book, boom, bool. Excellent, the short OO sound is book, book, book. Another one. Which one of these words has a short OO sound? Here we have zoom, wood, school. Think well. Zoom, wood, school. Excellent. Wood. It has a short OO sound. These words have a short OO sound. Can you think of any more? Look at these words. Look, look, look. Hood, hood, hood. Book, book, book. Good. Can you think of any more? My lovely students, this is all for today. I want from you to solve the worksheet and send it to me. Thank you, stay safe, and goodbye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this lesson, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more. And don't forget to click the bell to get all the updates.